Today, I have gas, water, gaseosa. It really make me burp. Can I drink it all without burping? I wonder. And so do you. Oh my! Oh, from now on, I'm not gonna try to burp. Me go prime.